Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a boy named Tommy. Tommy loved to fly kites. Every day after school, he would run to the hilltop with his kite and let it soar high in the sky. One windy afternoon, while Tommy was flying his kite, he noticed a little girl named Lucy watching him. Lucy had a tiny, plain kite that struggled to stay in the air. She looked sad as she watched Tommy's kite dance gracefully in the wind. Tommy saw Lucy's sad expression and felt a tug at his heart. So, Tommy ran over to Lucy and asked, "Would you like to fly my kite with me?" Lucy's eyes lit up with joy. Together, they held the string, and for the first time, Lucy experienced the thrill of flying a kite that soared higher than the clouds. From that day on, Tommy and Lucy flew kites together. Tommy even helped Lucy decorate her small kite, and with his help, it flew better than ever before. They became best friends, and their kites, though different in size and color, always flew side by side. The villagers often saw them on the hilltop, and soon everyone started flying kites together. The sky was filled with kites of all shapes, sizes, and colors. The village became known as the Village of the Flying Kites, where everyone helped each other, and no one felt left out.